Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial. This is actually part 2 of my tutorial on how to create a new calculated field in Act 16. A calculated field is a new option in the newest version of Act 16. Okay, so first of all, if you're on this screen and you've already gone in like we had done in the first half of this tutorial, created the field, if you want to design a layout, you can click on Tools, Design Layouts, and then choose Contact if you haven't done that already. What I did before the tutorial started is I opened up that screen. So next, I want to put over here on the right-hand side that field. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on Field, come over here and I'm just going to draw. It doesn't really matter where I draw it, but if we look here, I called that field that I created Days Email. Nothing fancy, but I'm going to click Add. So now we've created a field here. And what I can do is I can go in and modify this as I see fit, but I'm just going to leave it as it is for right now. I'm going to maybe make this a little bit smaller, and I think I'll align it over on the left-hand side. Why don't we just make it bold so it stands out, and let's go up and make it the color of red, just so it stands out some more. So days email, that's the number of days since the last email. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to close this layout. Now what Act might have to do, will do, is refresh. So what I want to draw your attention to is right here. It put in the number of days since the last email. It's 108 days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I want you to observe something. It's minus 108 days. That's a little unusual, but in this demo database, they've set it up so the last email was actually sent in the future, June of 2014. So that's why we have the minus 108 days. That's sort of interesting. I never had observed that before or knew that would happen. But what will happen is, again, we have, because this is the demo database, we've got some dates that are in the future, and that throws it off a little bit. But let me just run through these. Yeah, they're all basically in June. But you get my drift of what has occurred here. This will record the number of days since the last email. And what I didn't realize when I started this tutorial was that these were for days in the future. But I think you get the point. This can be a great tool for visually keeping you in tune with the last time you sent an email to a client. My name is Tony Holowitz. Have a great day. Thank you very much.